This is an extendable duster and attic pull hook. It can also be used for a lot of things, honestly. It has several different attachments, one of the main ones being this actual screw-in hook that you can use to attach in the end and then pull stuff down, like for example, a cord for an attic. This does extend pretty far. Let me make sure we've got this completely unlocked. And you set it to your desired length and then you screw this part in. Pull it out, screw this part in. And so it does give a pretty good amount of extra height. I would say it extends a decent amount. I got this measured out at about 45 inches-ish, about 44 and a half for the entire thing with this attachment. And what this attachment makes me think of, and even this one too, both of them are actually like dusters, but it really makes me think of having spiders and cobwebs up at the top of the ceiling, and I don't want to actually get a paper towel and try and like capture the spider because of course my wife is gonna have me get the spider. But if I use this will actually be a way for me to like dust the corners and clean everything off, especially with this attachment, but also get some of those bugs and those creepy crawlies and the spiders and everything out from those hard to reach places as well. So pretty handy, pretty useful. It's got this little cord down here at the bottom that you could stick your hand through. It does retract back down into a more compact size. It has an aluminum frame body, overall very lightweight because of that. And it does come with several different attachments in here as well. The hook head and then the actual duster swiver head. So hopefully this gives you a better idea of how to use this, how you can, actually do this yourself, and if this is right for you and your loved ones. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you guys in the next one.